Today, we're back in St. Joseph County, Michigan with Judge Jeffrey Middleton. He's hearing a case where the plaintiff has a judgment against the defendant, but the plaintiff refused a payment. That makes Judge Middleton displeased. Watch to see what he says. Roll footage, LawNerds.
This file is an old file. It's 221122SC. It's entitled Jeanette Mercer versus Amber Wadsworth. The claim was for $2,311. We had a trial, and I found Miss Wadsworth responsible for $1,466 plus costs for a total of $1,549.65. Miss Mercer has been attempting to collect on that debt since that time. We had a hearing in December of 22, December of 23, July of 24, every 6 months. Ms. Mercer has filed a discovery subpoena once again. I got a letter from Miss Wadsworth, whose name is now Gibson, saying that I've been trying to make my payments. I'll read the letter as it's written. It was date stamped January 14th. My name is Amber Gibson. I have a case number under Amber Wadsworth, 221122SC. I'm writing you because I recently returned to work and started making payments to Jeanette Mercer as I'm supposed to. I mailed the first payment in December, and I just had it returned to me by the post office, where the mail lady wrote that Jeanette refused to accept it. I'm writing because I'm not trying to get in any trouble with the court for non-payment, but if she is refusing payment, I don't know what to do. I have the mail that she returned with a sticker from the post office that says return to sender, where the mail lady wrote she refused. I have intended a picture of the envelope. I've included a picture of the envelope. All right. So Miss Wadsworth or Miss Gibson, do you swear or affirm any testimony you're about to give in this matter will be true to the best of your knowledge or belief?
I do.
So you return to work where?
I'm currently working at Speedway in White Pigeon.
And you sent a check in December. How much was it for?
It was for $40.
But because it was returned, you didn't then send a January check.
Correct. I still have the money for that, but I wasn't sure what to do because the first one, which is right here, got returned. The mail lady said she refused it. And so with her not accepting it, I didn't know what to do. So I was waiting to hear from
So do you have December and January with you?
Here's December's. January's is when I get my paycheck. It's supposed to hit tonight so I can have it because I used it for diapers since I was waiting.
Miss Mercer, did you get a check did you get an envelope?
I received a letter, which I thought it was another sob story.
So you didn't.
That's why I refused it. But I took it back to the post office. I didn't talk to any mail lady. I just took it back and refused it. And that's the only one.
All right, so now you're wasting my time. You come in here twice a year complaining that she hasn't paid your money. She's tried to pay the money and you sent it back.
I didn't know that's what it was. It was just it was in an envelope with my address. It didn't have anything about money.
All right, so let me see it.
Every time that I've mailed her, it's exactly like this. The money order inside a piece of paper.
See, that's the only one she's ever sent me. She's never sent
I have
me
my
anymore.
receipts from previous where I mailed it and it's looked just
Never
like
sent me
that.
any.
Well, there's a $48 money order. Laura, would you come in here, please? When will you make your next payment?
It will be this week that I can make the next one, and next week I can have February's made.
All right. Just photocopy this check, just the front. In February before the end of the month.
Yes,
The last time she paid 20 and then 40. And she had the receipts, so she had paid some previous payments. Then she paid 60. So we made a determination that there was an additional cost of 120.92. So Ms. Mercer, do you have a current amount that's due?
No.
All right, would you give that to Ms. Mercer? So there's a $40 check, a certified money order you can pay. All right. So $60. So 100 has been paid. So that would be 1,449.65. Plus the cost from July. For 120.92. Equals 1,570.57 is current balance. Defendant will pay $40 by February 15th. And $40 by February 28th. And then March payment is due. Ms. Gibson, do you expect a tax refund or anything?
I have child support arrearages that they'll be taken for.
All right. Well, I thought is if you got a refund or something, you want to just get this over
Yeah.
with.
Your Honor, I do have two other receipts that were not on record that I made payments to her.
When are those?
They are for 12/6/24 and 2/1/24.
I think I counted those.
Okay,
No, I don't
Okay.
have those. How much were those?
one was for $40 and the other one was for 15.
So that's 55. Minus 55 is 1,515.57. That's the amount due. Total due 1,515.57. $40 by the 15th of the month and another $40 by the 28th.
Yes, sir.
And she got $40 today. So if all that comes out, it'll be $120 this month And that will help to chip away at this. All right, Ms. Gibson, why don't you go first, then I'll let you go, Ms. Mercer.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoy watching this content, please like and subscribe. It helps new channels like this one gain exposure. There is a lot more good court to come, so if you like what you saw, tell your friends. If you didn't, tell me and let me know what you'd like to see and how I can improve. Thanks.